Hi, I'm Kayla. I'm a licensed esthetician and makeup artist of over 10 years. I have a wide range of experience working in resorts and spas across the United States. I've worked for myself and even plastic surgeons and dermatologists. I feel that my experience brings a unique perspective to the beauty community. I plan on sharing makeup tutorials, skincare and product knowledge, insider tips and tricks from the spa, what to expect, say, during a facial, and even some tips for my fellow professionals. Some fun facts about me. I am a huge Stargate nerd. I have a pet bearded dragon. Um, which I love because he doesn't sass me, he doesn't bark in the middle of my videos, and he's pretty easy to take care of. Who knows, he might make an appearance. I hope you'll join me on this wonderful journey by liking my video, subscribing, and ringing the little bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. If you have any suggestions, comments, or requests for videos, comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. We'll see you soon.